Murphy bed hardware systems are designed for a standard spring coil mattress. Due to the excessive weight of foam, gel, latex, and Tempurpedic mattresses, these types of mattresses are not recommended and will void the warranty of the Murphy bed hardware system. To start, open the bed, fold down the legs, lower the bed to the floor, and place your foot on the crossbar to prevent the bed from rising. Now, gently slide the mattress onto the bed. Be sure it lies completely within the frame. The added weight of the mattress should now hold it down. Now that we've put the mattress in, plus ensure that there is a proper amount of springs on either mechanism so it is balanced properly, we're going to just slide the mattress off a bit so that we can install the mechanism covers. When installing the mechanism covers, make sure that the tabs in the cover align properly with the indents on the mechanism. If you are having trouble fitting the tabs into the slots, try shaving off the tabs a bit so they fit easier. Using a flathead screwdriver, secure the cover using the 4mm screws. These covers will protect against the springs as they expand and contract. Now repeat the steps on the opposite side. And lastly, secure the Velcro strap around the mattress.